So now it's a tax holiday in Canada. And how am I supposed to record that in QuickBooks Online if I've got different amounts that are some items have GST and HST on it and others don't, and I have it in one combined purchase. So I'm going to show you an example of how you can split it out. So here is an example of transactions. You've gone transactions, banking. Here's a credit card charge for 1,300 and change from Amazon. So we've got it in Canada cost of goods sold, but the problem is in this 1,300, we're going to assume some of that is actually exempt and we didn't pay any HST on it. So we come down here, click on this little split button. Okay. Purchases Canada. Here's the total. So we're going to say that for easy math, 1,000 of that had included the GST HST on it. Okay. So it's probably easier if you were to say how much doesn't have it. So if we say, fine, we look at our receipt, you got to pull out your receipts. So you say, okay, that receipt and $200 worth of that did not have GST or HST on it. Okay, so that was exempt or zero rated. We're just going to call it exempt. So then what that's going to leave us is with the balance. As you can see, the original amount of the transaction was 13. So then if we put 1155.95 in there and we say in that is the HST. Now remember, this is the total amount including HST because when we book these transactions, it includes the HST. So we say, yep, 200 and the total including the HST was this. Now when we actually book it, QuickBooks will then say, hey, this is the total. It'll back out the 13% HST, put that in the correct bucket, and then only put the difference. Okay. And that's it. And now we've just gone over here. We've clicked on it to see how it booked the entry. It's got the 200 in here. There's your subtotal. And see, there's the 13%. So it backed it out. It said, okay, 115595 includes the 13%. So the gross amount was that. Here's your HST, and we're all set. So hopefully that helps you break it out.